Good morning. This is Vasudesh Pandey from Easylib on 17th June 2020. This presentation is a part of the large customer annual planning exercise for Nitte University done by Easylib for the year 2020-21. As you see, Easylib is running at 8 colleges under Nitte University. In each of the place, Easylib 6.2a web version is used, which is one of the most advanced library automation softwares available anywhere. In addition to each of the colleges running Easylib 6.2a web, we have got unified OPAC online public access catalog system at the university level, where the data from all the 8 colleges is integrated in one web OPAC. The students can log into this web OPAC and search the books when they are in the campus, both on their PCs as well as mobile devices. The strength of this entire installation are there are total 8 installations using the Easylib web application. This application is constantly undergoing changes, and in the last 2 years between 2018 and now we have upgraded close to 8 times. The second strength is that you have got a unified web OPAC that helps the students to search across the university. So when used well, you will be able to save the money. The third one is that most of the college staff are comfortable with the Easylib application and are using Easylib, the newer version 6.2, as the primary software for their library operations. Application is stable for most of the use case scenarios. Now coming to the improvement areas, internal improvement areas. We see that Easylib software is becoming more and more heavy and complex. And with this complexity, the time to deploy or the upgrade and installation is also becoming more and more. It takes about 8 to 16 hours to take a machine online, deploy the software, create those missing tables, extra columns, the procedures, deploy the new components, and do an end-to-end testing. It requires about 8 to 16 hours, and we see that it's becoming difficult to get that much time from each of the individual college at a stretch. So as a result, the frequency of the upgrades is not as we want to be happening. So one of the solution is to move to a central server which could be hosted by Easylib or by Nitte University. The desired configuration is that it should be a Windows 2012 R2 and above, should have SQL Server 2017 above server. Okay, the second challenge here we are facing is that the application being pretty heavy, probably it's a little heavy for some of the machines at individual colleges. And it's also being heavy means that it's difficult to find the missing columns. So in one of the installations, we had got about one particular table not having all the columns, and that caused an issue in the screen. So the solution here is to test fully, even if it takes a large amount of time. So we are going to put one person to run the test cases, 400 to 500 of them, at each of the 8 installations. We also observe that not all the staff is comfortable with all the advanced features of Easylib. They are using the application, OPAC, cataloging, circulation, student information, all of this no problem. But when it comes to using the advanced features like communication module, the feedback module, the statistics and analytics module, we see that the usage needs to improve. So we have indeed created a lot of videos, and those videos need to be seen, and probably a little bit more hand-holding required to the users on seeing these videos and then asking or getting their questions clarified. We also see that the library segment as a whole worldwide is changing. The first one being the importance of physical materials is going down, the importance of digital materials is going up. So probably there is a scope to do a better integration between these two sources of information. The transition needs to be validated. The second one, as we saw, is that the webpack needs to be still accessible from the campus, and probably it needs to work with the in-campus ERP web application as well. The third is, I think there is a need for benchmarking Nitte University Library offerings with the best in class worldwide. See how better we can do the things better. So that will help position Nitte University as the topmost organization in the region. To summarize, the immediate action items are: consider hosting the Easylib application on dedicated Nitte server or on Easylib server. Second one is give the webpacks access to the students both on PC and mobile. Third is to test each application individually by running about 400 test cases. Fourth is that the staff is recommended to see each of the videos. And the fifth one is that analyze the external factors that are happening and come up with the initiatives for Nitte University. That's about it. Thank you so much. Look forward to continue the conversation on phone or in person. Thank you.